Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about conditions. We are going to see how we apply conditions in Java. Let us get started. Now we are on our project that we created last time. We are going to declare a variable called age, and we are going to give an age of 18. Now what we are going to see here is we are going to make sure that if age is amongst a certain ranges of age, a certain ranges of number, he belongs to that. Like we can take an example. If he is between 0 to 5, we can say he's a baby. If he is between 6 to 17, he's a child. And now if he's above 18, he's an adult. Let us get started. We are going to say if age is superior is equals to is superior and equals to 0, and gives the AND condition, the sign for and age is less than or equals to 5. We will say here that system out println. Here we will say she is a baby. Else, if age is superior or equals to 6 and age is less than 18, we will say here that he is a child. And the last one is that else, if age is superior or equals to 18, we will say here that he/she is an adult. Now we will launch this code and we can see that he is an adult. Why? Because the age that he is having, the age that the variable age has a value of 18, and we are given the condition that if he is either 18 and above, the console will show us he or she is an adult, as we can see here. Now we can also put directly superior than 17. It will also give the same result, as we can see. Also, as it is directly separated into different phases, if here it is going from 0 to 5, here from 6 to less than 18, we can directly put here, while putting else if, we can directly put here else, and we open. What will happen is that if it does not enters in these categories, it will enter directly here. Let us try it. As you can see, it gives the same result. Let us take another example. Now we are going to see the class called random. What is a random class? A random class is a class which gives haphazard number. Now, a random class can be imported. In Java, a random class is imported by using java.util.random to import the class random. Now we are going to use the class random and applying our conditions on it. Let us get started. If we say int, we will declare our random like as we saw on scanner. It has the same way to be defined. At this only difference that we don't put, we will import our class random as we said. Now what we will do is that we will give now a number, int number, and we will say random point next int. Now we will pass the condition, or we can simply make our condition by saying that if number is less than 0, we will say system.out.println you are a negative number. Sorry, it is double quote. The next one we will say if number, we can take a range. I don't know too much. If number, we can say superior than 0 and number less than 30, we can simply say you are found between 0 and 30. And the last condition that we can say is that else we say here you are 30 and above. But if we were putting equal sign here, we will put here you are 31 and above. But as we didn't put our equal sign there, we will say you are 30 and above. We are going to see what it really gives. Let us put here else if number is greater than 30, and let us launch this code. It shows us that we are 30 and above only. Now if we are putting a number here inside like 15, what will happen is that this 15 is like the limit at which the random can go. It cannot exceed that 15, which means that if it gives a random number, that random number will never be higher than 15. It can be equal to 15 but never higher than 15. If you learn this code, you are going to see that this condition is no more useful. You can, how can I say, delete this. Now if we launch this code, you see, if we continue launching, we are seeing that it doesn't give us a number higher than 15. This is how you can use boundaries. Now we are after next int, we can also use next double. And we will clear here. If you launch this code, you can wipe here. We will see that it will give us double numbers. This is all for this course, and later on we are going to see switch classes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the course.